Game number 9 for the Texters brought us to Cagayan De Oro this weekend for a matchup that, according to Coach Chot, would test the team's commitment to defense and to one another.
Make no mistake about it, we're going to be tested tonight. We're playing a team that's deep. They want to come back. They're coming from a bad loss. Okay, and I'm sure they really want to win. Okay? And I tell you what the other coach is saying. That coach is saying, kulang yung kalaban natin. That coach is saying the team we're playing doesn't have all the horses. So let's run them and let's run them hard. We're going to try to use their depth against us. Okay? And I'm looking around. I see a lot of new faces here who weren't even there the first time we played this team. There's a lot of different players here. But one thing remains the same. It's our commitment to defense, our commitment to each other. Okay? You do those two things, gentlemen, you're going to win this ball game. Huh? Let's go. TNT, we are TNT!
The Texters started with guns ablaze as Panasher and Castro's three-pointers found their marks early in the hostilities. Williams also started hot, making his presence felt in the paint with a spin move and a strong finish off a Jason Castro feed. The Elasto Painters, on the other hand, held back the Texters' early show of force by way of Ryan Araña's 10-point blast to end the first period with a 6-point lead, 30-24. The Tropang Texters plastered their defensive gaps while continuing with their offense to keep within 3 at 45-48 coming into the last half of play. Third quarter play ensued, and the name of the game was to drive and get the offensive rebounds. The Texters fought tooth and nail for the ball, pounding on the boards, hitting and taking hits from inside the paint, making the Elasto Painters pay for every challenge, not to mention a couple of bombs from way out to impose the Texters brand of play that kept their opponents from pulling away at 70-74 with a period left to play. In the final period, Ranidel De Ocampo top scored for the Texters with a whooping 27 points, but had to bow down to cramps, and then it was showtime for the Blur. Jason Castro waltzes in the land of the Giants and ties the ball game right before the final buzzer, forcing another 5 minutes to decide who gets to win for the evening. In the final seconds of overtime, the Elasto Painters managed a 3 to tie the ball game. Jason Castro again decides to take matters into his own hands and sends his team jumping up and down with the crowd's cheer. The rest was history, as the Elasto Painters could not answer back in time with a final score at 106-104 to keep the Texters at the top of the heap with an 8-1 win-loss tally.